Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another Quarantine Chronicle. This morning, it is 6:30 a.m. and I have a test at noon. So I'm waking up so I can get it popping nice and early this morning and pass my exam because I need at least a 88 or a 90 to keep my grade going up so I can hopefully get an A in maternity this semester. So I'm up early and I'm exhausted. I went to bed late, I'm up early, and I'm passing this exam, period. So I'm starting off my morning. I'm about to make some breakfast and I'm gonna get it going. All right, so this morning's breakfast consists of some coffee, which I made with frothed milk. So, Starbucks at home, y'all. This looks so professional. And the cup is just too cute. Good. And then I have some yogurt with the bananas. And then a couple days ago I made sweet potato fries, so I just cut them up, put some cinnamon, nutmeg, put them in the oven. So I'm gonna have this, and that, and then I have some water. So I'm about to get it popping. I don't know where I'm gonna start. Actually, I need to start with those flashcards over there. So I made flashcards. Well, I made the front of flashcards. The backs are empty. Basically, of all the big concepts that I need to know, because for this test, there's a lot of acronyms and like numbers and scales and stuff like that. So I felt like it would be easier for me to learn via flashcard. So I'm about to fill these out, hopefully by memory, and then use my notes to kind of double check myself to make sure I'm on the right track. And then I'm gonna start some practice questions, review my notes again, and just doing all the things, you know? Dominique's got a pass. Dominique's got an ace, not pass. Dominique's got an ace. It's the only option. It's the only option. Those sweet potato fries, bomb. So the way this exam is set up, it's a third on intrapartum, which is like when you're giving birth. There's a third on postpartum, which is after, and then there's a third on the newborn. So I feel really good about postpartum. I've been studying that a lot and I feel comfortable with that. But the other two, so I gotta get going. So I think I'm gonna start with intrapartum. I don't know, because I'm doing APGAR right now. I don't know. I'm so over this. It's 9 a.m. I've relocated to the floor. I got my blanket, pillow, and I'm supposed to have class at noon. Or no. I'm supposed to have class at 9 for another class that I have, but my test is at noon. So I'm just gonna like log on and then keep studying. But I just am burnt. Like, I'm about to take a nap, like a 15-20 minute nap, because I can't keep doing this. I'm so tired and I still gotta do intrapartum. Oh my gosh, I don't know if I'm gonna make it, y'all. So I'm about to log on to this class, and this professor loves to chit chat. She's like almost 80, so she just loves talking about her life and stuff, which is cool. Like, I like her. But when I need to study for a test, I don't have time, honey. cancel class. I need to study. So I wonder if she's in here already. How's you guys' day going? What are you doing today? Do you have school? Are you working? Are you teleworking? Oh, she's in here. She talking? She always talking. It's just her TV playing right now. So I'm gonna take a nap. 15 minutes. So I took my nap and it's now almost 11. I've just reached my breaking point. I'm tired. I don't want to do this anymore. I don't know. Nursing is hard, y'all. It's really draining. Like, it's physically and emotionally draining. And I really thought I was gonna get an A, but I just calculated my grades and I have to get 100 on everything. So that's out the window. So now my motivation is really low because I'm gonna get a B anyway. So why bust my butt if I'm not gonna get an A? I don't know. Just not feeling it anymore. I'm not feeling it at all, y'all. I'm not feeling it. Drop some motivation because I ain't feeling it. It's now 15 minutes. I made a bagel because I was just very hungry and you should never take a test on an empty stomach, you know? So I'm gonna eat my bagel, do my last bit of practice questions, and then I'm gonna take the test. And I'll let you guys know how it goes. Hopefully I pass. If I don't, I'm gonna be crying. Crying. All right, y'all. So, update. I got a 75 on my exam. Not happy with that. But at least I passed. But at the same time, I felt like I could have done so much better. But the way the test was worded was so stupid. Like, she just literally made up all the questions by herself. When it was like, I was doing all these like NCLEX style, like board state exam type questions. So then to get her little handwritten questions kind of threw me off. But I'm not complaining that much. I passed. On to studying for the final. So I'm going to end it here and I will pick it up in the next vlog.